Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. Dun dun dun. Now I bring you the Ulefone Armor17, the new flagship model from Ulefone, and this is the latest and flagship large model, and also the ammo case, the customized multifunctional Armor17 case. And today, as usual, I'm going to talk on the very quick talk on this device, and I will show you the basic specifications and main features about these devices first, and then we will go to the IP68 rating test outside. So first, we will do a very quick unboxing video about these devices. So so when I first get this device and the case, I will say this brand is very okay. The VI system is really good because the case and the case box and also the larger phone box, they're very impressive. They use the very impressive yellow color, and also here there are some kind of air rod or tire element in front of the books. It's very rugged element, IP689K, IP68 proof. So this is the about the box, and also before we go unbox it, they also shown the main features about this device with the mark in the fonts in the side of this box. Here it's IP68 rating and IP69K proof, waterproof, dustproof, shake proof, and also the high brush proof. The screen is 6.58-inch Full HD, and it supports 120Hz refresh rate display. So this is the first time I see a smart larger device use the 120Hz refresh rate. Also the MediaTek Helio G99 chips. Also another amazing and impressive specification is about the camera. It support 108 megapixel ultra triple camera. From the website, they say they use the same HM2 camera, same like Xiaomi series, and also the 8 megapixel night vision camera, as well also a 60 megapixel from the camera, and the RAM and ROM is 8 plus 256. The third impressive one is the MaxWireless Attach and Charge. It's both support Android and compatible with the Apple devices, and also super fast charging, 66-watt fast charging, and also is provided by Android 12, the new Android system. So after we list it and we talked on the the main features about this device, actually I cannot wait to unbox it and see what's inside this box. So first let's unbox it. Unbox the smartphone device first. Before we open it, we got another black package, warranty card, phone charging instructions, multifunction instructions. So the customer keys, and also the Armor17 Pro user manual. So this is the Pro edition. And also our high-end, easily fixed, easily installed tempered glass screen protector. Also yellow, and you see we can find the Ulefone brand here, and also the website. So this is very decent, this very high-end decent screen protector. And let's put this stuff aside, and then it's a smartphone. And before we go to the smartphone, let's check the accessories first. Whoa, a big 66-watt PD charger. Whoa, so this is the Type-C to Type-C 66-watt PD charger. Let's put it aside as well. And also, whoa, this time the cable is also yellow. Oh, we are amazing. Yeah, this is the cable. Also slim, because there are some place the hole in the small hole and the back cover of this device. We can hook it. and also it is to open the stopper of the smartphone, because this Roger device, the stopper will be well protected. And also put this stuff aside and directly go to the smartphone. Okay, put this aside as well, and let's go to smartphone. Whoa! So here, after we get the plastic back out aside, and then, whoa! Finally, this device is in front of us. Whoa! This is a fiber carbon designed back cover, and here the camera zone is a it's a rectangle camera zone, 1 to 3 triple roll camera system, and here we can find the I think night vision sensors and also the LED refresh light. Okay, this is the back panel, back side. This is the frame, mantle frame. This is the volume button, power button. Okay, I'm not sure. I think this is one is combined with the power button combined with the fingerprint. Also the customized key. Also the DF card, SIM card. Also here, the bottom side is the 3.5mm headphone jack, Type-C charger dot. This is the speaker. Okay, this is the hole I mentioned above, to use the string sling to hook it, so you can easily hold it, not slip from your hand. Okay, so after a very quick review about the design, let's go to the main part first. I will say it's not a very traditional Roger device. It's combined Roger element with the kind of business style, because this one looks not so thick actually, and not so heavy. When I hold it on my hand, it's only 290 grams, and also is the thinness part is only 12 mm. So it's not like a traditional Roger devices. Yes, this is about it's kind of business style as well. And then we will talk on this device from several aspects. First, from the camera, the screen, and also the processor, the battery, and also the other main features that I think I should mention. The first about the camera, and this time, actually I've already talked on the camera before because they have they show this information on that box. Here we can find is a triple roll camera system. The main one is the first most impressive one is the 108 megapixel HM2 main camera, and also it supports 8 megapixel wide angle and also 8 megapixel night vision. Also, this one I think is for the infrared sensors as well. So here we can also find the 108 megapixel wide camera works here. So this is about the rear camera system, and also for the front one is have a 60 megapixel front camera as well. Yes, when we wake up the screen, we can find it's a wardrobe screen, and the front camera is just in the middle of the screen. It's a Sony 60 megapixel front camera, and we will do the camera test later. And also next, let's talk about the screen. This time they used a 6.85 inch 120 Hz refresh screen. It's a full job, a full screen, and for the 120 Hz refresh rate, I will say is it's the most high-end specification screen that's used in Roger devices. Actually, in the normal phones, 120 Hz is very, very decent very high-end decent specifications on the screen. This game you get very fluently and easily, and a nice gaming experience. You use this to play games. Also, it supports FHD, high resolution LCD, and the display resolution is 1080, 24, and 0. So it's the screen nice, and the last part, the camera, good. These two parts are also make this device a flagship. Okay, the next about the glass. About the glass is it's a rugged device, so there's no doubt they will use the latest Corning Grocery Fire, the fifth generation glass. Is enhanced, improved 20% compared to the third generation on the durability, and also about the 1.5 meters anti-shock test is improved 100%, and also it's a fifth generation Grocery glass, so the glass is 1.1 mm thick. So this is about the glass. Also use the latest Corning glass. It's a larger device, so nice this part, and also it's a IP68 and IP69K waterproof. So okay, so this is no doubt you can use this to on a special circumstance, and you can use this in a very, I will say, extreme bad environment. You can use it. It supports waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof as well, and also it's supported IP69K, so it also can use in a high temperature and high pressure environment. And as we can see this time, they don't use the stoppers to protect it. This is another thing that's really impressive, because the holes are not protected by the stoppers. It's just exposed to the environment, to the air, I will say. Yes, here. So this use the NM waterproof technology, and also here is a customized button. We can use this to the underwater shooting, underwater camera key as well. We can set this. And also the next, let me show you the processor about this device, and we will go to the settings. Yes, to check here, settings, system here. Oh, not here. Oh, sorry, here. So this time they use the Helio G99. It's an octa-core processor. The CPU is support maximum to 2200 mAh, and they use the 8 GB RAM plus 256 GB ROM, and also for the RAM it support the virtual extension. It support maximum to 13 GB RAM. This technology are very normally used in the normal phones. So, but for the larger device, I think the first time I remember. So this is also good. And also the next part is about the battery. As we can see, this phone is not so thick black and not so heavy, but it have a very decent on this charging speed. First is charging speed is 66 watts charging speed, and for the battery they provide a 5380 mAh big batteries as well. So with the 66 watt fast charging, I will say, whoa, the flagship charging speed. Yes, it supports PD 3.0, and also besides the cable charging 66 watt, it supports 15 watt wireless charging. And also it supports the MagSafe charging as well. It's compatible with the MagSafe and Apple MagSafe system. And also, just go to the smartphone and say, whoa. Let's check more the UI. I think it's time for the UI I mentioned is Android 12 pure system as well. Easy launch. Yes, I think I should mention here the service center, because we can click this and we can get the sales info, get the stories about the Ulefone, and we can get the brand introduction, user manual, and customer service and more. So it's very easily. Okay, we should connect to the Wi-Fi so we can get a lot of useful information through with one click with this app, the service center. Yes. And also, I think I should mention other features this device has is that it's the Wi-Fi. It supports Wi-Fi 6 and dual GPS. And for the positioning, GPS system is support L1 plus L5 dual positioning and more accurate than the normal ones, and also support NFC and Google Pay. So this one will be very useful when you can use it to take metro or to take bus as well. And yes, after a very quick talk on this part, I will show you the last part is about the Android ammo case. I'm going to open it and I will show you how it looks like when I cover this phone with this case. Here is a hook, here is climp, so we can do it like this, climp, here it's climb like this, yes, climb. Okay, you can fix this, look at this climb to fix this in your trousers or your t-shirt, or your jacket. And when we cover this with this case, it looks so okay, so rugged. So here we can replace this one with a, okay, you can adjust the angle. Okay, we can replace it with a hook. Whoa. So this, will be more rugged when we use the ammo case. It looks more rugged than business style. Yeah, so this is my very quick talk on the MO17 Pro rugged device. It's really a rugged and flagship model I have ever checked on the rugged for market. So would you like to choose such a rugged flagship model? Make a comment and let me know your thoughts. Let's see more deep testing on the waterproof and IP68 rating and camera part next. Thanks for this part. Bye bye.